Aloha guys, this is Scuba Chris of Scuba Chris Videos. I still love my contour. For those of you that know this company has been out of business for about 1.5 years, but I still love their cameras. These are simple point and shoot cameras. To this day, I still use it. They're not as high quality as some of the current models that are out now, like the DJIs, the Elco Pro, or the GoPros, but these cameras have their place. Okay, they're basically point and shoot cameras, so it had to start mostly in Europe where they were helmet cams, you know, where people would attach them to their helmets and they'll go out riding across the countryside. I was using these for my fishing, and the best part about it is just simple click and shoot. I had a headband, put it on the headband. This one here has my UV filter on it. I absolutely love these. These are laser sighted. You turn this and you change the which way the pictures are being taken. This is a really good unit. I'm not going to give these up. These are just backups though. I have better quality units. Needless to say, they're not being sold anymore, but there's so many around that you need to know how to take care of them. So now let me show you. I'm going to unlock this. I took it out the other day, and I have about maybe 5 or 6 of these. So what I did is I turned it on, flicked it on. There's a problem. See the red light in the middle? That means that's a formatting problem. So I need to reformat my micro SD card. Okay, to do that, I'll open up the back. As you can see here, I have my micro SD card in there. I have a 32 gigabyte. So let me show you how to reformat it. At the very bottom, see right there in the very bottom, it says format, alrighty? So what you do is you gotta make sure that the switch is down. Okay, after the switch, make sure that the switch is down. Get a pen, apply pressure to that button. So, let's see. Okay, pressurizing it. See, it's blinking. Green light. That's it. That's all you have to do to reformat it. Okay, so if we did that right, it's now reformatted. So to test this, let's turn it on again. See the green light? Now it came on. Now it's reformatted. So, this card was from 2015, so it's 5 years old. Every once in a while, you have to reformat your card to refit these units because it gets expensive buying 32 gigabyte micro SD cards, correct? So that's how you do it. And I'm sure a lot of other cameras are done the same way. You just have to know how to reformat it. This one is very, very simple. Okay, turn it off, open the back. And like I said, look at the very bottom here. See that? It says format. You just have to depress it for about 4 to 5 seconds, and that's all you have to do. So, great way to maintain your equipment. Thanks, guys. Aloha.